Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to change your Facebook group URL. So firstly, let's go to your Facebook group. Now you have to find here on left hand side group settings. Click on group settings. Now scroll down a bit and you'll find here web address, customize group and web address. If you want to change the group URL, you have to click on this pencil icon. If you want to customize this, click on this and you can see here you have to write your group URL like test now. Now you can see that a group has been name has been taken. Now you can see here once you has your group has more than 5,000 members, you won't be able to customize your group address again. Okay, so after your group has reached to 5,000 member, you will be able to customize your group again, otherwise not. So when your group has been 5,000 member, you cannot do this. Before that you can do this. So you can click on save and your group uh, URL has been changed. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.